Everything begins on an ordinary night. Cities are alive with lights, people feel safe inside their homes, and the world seems normal. No one realizes that within hours, life as we know it will completely change. Like every major disaster in history, a zombie outbreak doesn't start with chaos. It starts quietly, unnoticed, and underestimated. The first case appears inside a hospital. A patient becomes violently aggressive, feels no pain, and displays abnormal strength. Doctors initially believe it's a rare neurological condition. But when a nurse is bitten, the truth begins to emerge. Within hours, she shows the exact same symptoms. Scientists soon discover a previously unknown virus. It attacks the frontal lobe of the brain, shutting down rational thinking while amplifying aggression. Pain perception disappears completely. The most terrifying part isn't what the virus does, but how incredibly fast it spreads. The outbreak reaches the public for the first time. In a crowded street, a man suddenly attacks strangers without warning. Police respond, but those who are bitten quickly turn violent as well. At this moment, the outbreak can no longer be hidden. Emergency broadcasts interrupt every channel. Authorities urge people to stay calm. But social media tells a different story. Shaky videos reveal brutal attacks happening everywhere. People begin to understand this is not an isolated incident. Panic spreads faster than the virus itself. Supermarkets are emptied within hours. Gas stations overflow with desperate crowds. Society begins to fracture as people fight over basic resources. The outbreak isn't just infecting bodies, it's exposing human behavior under fear. The military is deployed, cities are placed under quarantine. Soldiers in protective gear flood the streets. But the virus has already escaped containment. Even trained forces begin to fall, proving that weapons alone may not be enough. In just days, modern cities turn into silent ruins. Power grids fail. Communication networks collapse. Humanity realizes how fragile civilization truly is when technology disappears. Survivors hide in small groups. Trust becomes rare. Other humans are now just as dangerous as the infected. Every stranger could be a threat, and every noise could mean death. Zombies show no emotion, no fear, and no fatigue. They are driven only by instinct. They don't stop unless their brain is destroyed. This knowledge spreads quickly among survivors, becoming a rule for survival. Maps turn red as the infection spreads across continents. Airports shut down. Ships are abandoned. Borders lose all meaning. The entire planet now shares the same enemy. A handful of scientists continue working in isolation. They race against time to develop a cure. Every failed experiment means thousands more lost. Hope is fragile, but it's the last thing humanity has. Radio signals echo through the static. Voices call survivors toward so-called safe zones. No one knows if these places truly exist, or if they are just traps born from desperation. Some choose to risk everything and travel. The journey is brutal. Supplies are limited. Every step forward could be the last. But staying still guarantees death. Nighttime is the most dangerous. Sound attracts the infected. One mistake can doom an entire group. Survival becomes a matter of instinct, silence, and speed. Children suffer the most in this new world. They don't understand what's happening, yet they experience every horror. The future of humanity rests on the shoulders that never chose this fate. Governments collapse. Laws lose their power. Authority belongs to whoever can enforce it. Civilization reveals how thin its foundations truly were. A breakthrough occurs. Scientists develop a serum that slows the infection. It's not a cure, but it offers hope. Unfortunately, there isn't enough for everyone. Impossible choices must be made. Who deserves the serum? Who must be left behind? The outbreak forces humanity to confront its darkest moral dilemmas. A final safe zone is established. Massive walls rise. Strict rules are enforced. Inside, survival continues, but outside, millions are already lost. A massive horde approaches the walls. Their numbers are overwhelming. Humanity prepares for its final stand. Explosions light up the sky. Gunfire echoes through the ruins. This isn't just a battle for survival. It's a battle for what it means to be human. When the fighting ends, silence remains. Victory feels hollow. The world is forever changed and nothing will ever return to the way it was. Survivors begin rebuilding. Farming, cooperation, and trust slowly return. From the ashes of collapse, a new society attempts to rise. The infected are studied. Are they still human? Or something else entirely? This question may never be answered. Children grow up in a world shaped by survival. For them, the outbreak is history, not memory. They represent humanity's second chance. Nature reclaims the cities. Plants grow through concrete. Animals return. The planet adapts with or without humans. The sun rises over ruined skylines. Despite everything, life continues. Humanity has lost almost everything, but not completely. Around fires, survivors tell stories, not for entertainment, but to remember. And to make sure this nightmare is never repeated. So what if this really happened? Would humanity survive a zombie outbreak? Or would it reveal that our greatest weakness was never the virus, but ourselves?